In a forgotten corner of the world, where no one cares, they struggle to survive. They were not born here. They were abandoned, left behind by the ones they trusted most. And yet, beyond the hunger and the cold, a spark remains, a hope that someone might still see them. And once, they had a home. Once, they were loved. Until the day that love drove away.
Now, every day is a fight for survival. Hunger, cold, and loneliness are their only companions. Fear